Thinking of starting an entertainment business in Singapore? With a vibrant lifestyle scene and strong demand for leisure and experiential activities, Singapore offers exciting opportunities across the entertainment industry. An entertainment business may include live events, performance venues, gaming and attractions, digital content creation, talent management, or experiential entertainment concepts. The first step is to register your company with ACRA and clearly define your entertainment or media-related business activities. Next, regulatory compliance is essential. Depending on your business model, you may need licenses or approvals related to public entertainment, content standards, venue operations, or safety requirements. Understanding these obligations early helps ensure smooth operations. Operational planning plays a key role in success. This includes venue or platform selection, talent and staff management, equipment setup, marketing strategy, and monetization models. Strong financial planning helps manage setup costs, ongoing expenses, and tax compliance as your business grows. At 3E Accounting Singapore, we support entertainment and creative businesses with company incorporation, regulatory guidance, tax planning, and accounting services, so you can focus on delivering engaging experiences.